Hi everyone, this is Michelle Fowler with Remax North Country. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a cheesy potato casserole dish. It just came out of the oven. It's super hot and smells delicious, and I can't wait to dig in. This recipe has 7 ingredients. It goes together in 5 minutes and it bakes in 45. So if you're looking for a fast dish to throw together for a potluck dinner, this is it. So let me show you how it's done. All right, let's put this cheesy potato casserole together. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my potatoes. I was unable to find a 30-ounce bag, which the recipe calls for, so I picked up 2 20-ounce bags, and I'm just gonna add 1 full bag and a half of another. It calls for 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Taking the easy move here and buying the pre-shredded instead of having to shred it by hand. This also called for cream of chicken soup, and I like breaking the rules, so I'm going with some cream of bacon because what goes better with potatoes? Some sour cream and bacon and cheese. So if you want to stick to the original recipe, please do so, or try to come up with your own creation. And then we have 1 pint of sour cream. And get every last bit of that out of there. This is half a cup of melted butter. This called for 1 cup of chopped onions. I'm actually going to do half a cup because the hash browns that I bought already had some onions in there. And 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. So once you have that all in the dish, we're going to give it a stir and then put it into our 9 by 13 baking pan and place it into the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. This recipe really goes together in like, what, 1 minute? So if you're in a rush, this is a good recipe to go ahead and throw together. I wonder if this would be a good cold dish too. You think it would be good cold potato salad? All right, that looks pretty good to me. Now I did go ahead and preheat my oven, so that's all set. And we'll put this in. I'll see you back here shortly. And if you thought this was an ad-free cooking video, guess again. Enjoy this commercial brought to you by Remax.
House for sale!
Home for sale.
Home for sale.
Home for sale. Home for sale.
We've got a home!
Available now.
All right, it's time to eat. This is smelling delicious and it looks nice and creamy and cheesy. Before I take a bite of this, I want to let you know for July we're making a fresh berry slab pie. So join me back next month. See you then.